To access live transcript by using volume up and down keys in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcript and then tap live transcript shortcut. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. And then select press and hold volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. Now you can access live transcript by pressing and holding volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. And then select live transcript in the pop-up menu. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.